This classic video is a link from Adventures in Water Skiing, the 6-part history of wakeboarding, kneeboarding, hydrofoiling, and much more.
Warning! Warning! Danger! Danger!
Wakeboarding can be a dangerous activity, so ride smart, ride safe.
To do a frontside back roll, edge in centered over the board, rise through the top of the wake, and drive your tip away from the boat. Lead with your hips. One of your key elements in learning in any sport is making sure that you concentrate on the move that you're working on. Take the coach's advice and implement it specifically.